Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited today because I finally got my Boxycharm in the mail. So this is January 2018's Boxycharm and I finally have my hands on it, which is super exciting. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription service that costs $21 a month, and they send you 4 to 5 full-sized, always full-size products every single month in the mail, and your box is always going to be like way well over $21, so the worth of this is always great. And I will leave it linked down below if you guys are interested in signing up. I know usually there's a wait list for it. I think I had to wait about a month to be taken off the wait list, so hopefully you guys don't have to wait too long if you have not already signed up for this amazing subscription service. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the box, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got this month. So normally I will do a try on when I'm pulling stuff out of the box, but I had a little bit of a technical difficulty trying to film try-ons. I literally filmed 2 times. I did my entire makeup look with everything in the box, and then my video ended up like cutting out, and then I took it all off, did it all again, and it didn't even end up recording. So this is 3rd time's a charm, but we're not going to be trying on the products today. I'm just going to be showing you simply what's in the box. So I do apologize for that, but Mom ain't having it today. So the first thing we're pulling out of the box is the card, and this theme this month is Rock 2018, which I think is super cute. Rock and roll is my favorite genre of music, so I think the theme this month is adorable. And then of course you get all your products and the prices on the back. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the It Brow Power by It Cosmetics, and everyone got this in the shade Universal Taupe. I did apply this to my eyebrows today, and I think that it worked really nicely. It gives a nice, just really natural, just feathered looking brow. And yeah, so you get a little spoolie on one side, and then on the other end you of course get the product. The only bad thing about it was it did pull out my brow hairs a little bit, because I have to press down a little bit harder because I do have darker eyebrows. So that was the only like I saw about this product, but otherwise thumbs up for it. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Galactic Beauty Soft Matte Lip Paint. It doesn't say soft, but it is really soft. And I have it in the shade Demure, which is a really nice, just kind of mauve-y brown shade. Swatch it for you guys. And of course I have it on my lips right now. It dried down really fast. I think it took probably about a minute for it to actually just fully dry down, but they applied super creamy, soft, and just buttery, and they feel great. So a big thumbs up for that product. And it does cost $23, so that's a little pricey, but it does the job. So the next product is the Glam Metals Crown Palette, and you do get 9 eyeshadows in this little palette. And just open it up. You get 8 shimmer shadows, and then this dark matte charcoal black color. I did use Rebel and Glam Rock and Black Metal on my eyelids today to create this look, and I did go in with a kind of like soft matte brown in the as my transition color. Of course it did not come out of here because it only has shimmers, but I don't know, I really liked the shade Rebel, but I did have to build it up, and I did swatch a few of these and they just seemed really chalky and not like quite up there as I would have expected. So this is not quite my favorite thing in the box this month, but it's alright. It's alright. Right, the next thing is probably my favorite product that I got this month. This is the Pure Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. And inside of this bad boy you get a really nice size mirror and a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush. Now I was really scared to put this bronzer on, but I don't know, it didn't go on as dark as I thought it was. Like, I definitely can't go in with a full-on brush of it. I have to be really subtle about it, but blending it out, it just gives me a really nice sun-kissed glow, and it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. I was really scared when I saw this. The highlighter is freaking stunning. Like, oh, it's gorgeous. I'm in love. And the blush is really pretty as well. It's more of a color I'm going to use more in the summer and spring, so I'm not super into it right now, but do love these, and they're so creamy, you guys. Like, it's unbelievable how creamy these are. I'm just gonna swatch them on my arm. I don't know if you can tell, but I was saying, like, I think this would be a really great palette to travel with because you can use it for your face and you can also use it for eyeshadow as well because of how freaking creamy and pigmented those are. So yeah, really like those. And the very last thing I got in my box this month is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and I did apply this before I applied my foundation and stuff on, and I think it went on really smoothly. It gave me a really nice, just dewy complexion. The smell on it is a little weird. It's a little like surgical. I don't know if that makes sense. I really enjoyed using this, and I obviously need to see if it actually keeps my foundation on for a really long time, but for the moment, I gave it a thumbs up. So that's everything I got in my Boxycharm this month, and I think it was a really great box. Other than the eyeshadow palette, I was kind of just like, with the eyeshadow palette, I don't know, I didn't really like it that much. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and you subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!